Healthy morning, children. So here you can see the picture of latitude and longitude. Now the easy way of remembering latitude is ये जो लेटे हुए लाइंस है, लेटा हुआ है ना ये लाइंस, तो इसको हम लोग लैटिट्यूड बोलेंगे. एंड दी लाइंस विच आर लॉन्गर, ये जो लंबा लाइंस है, लंबे लाइंस, these are the longitude. So latitude and longitude understood. These are what latitude is what? It is the angular distance north or south of equator. Equator you can see in the latitude, the red line. So it is the angular distance north or south of equator. Okay, and the longitude you can see, it is the angular distance west or east of prime meridian. Is it clear? You can also see that latitudes are parallel and the longitudes are horizontal. Is it clear? The latitudes are parallel and the longitudes are horizontal or vertical. What is that? It's vertical, not horizontal. Now, the next thing is that you have to understand the location of globe. Okay, all the places. These are the imaginary lines, but you have to understand for India's location in the globe. So first you will see equator. Can you see 0 degree equator? 0 degree equator, from there just go up, straight away up, there you can see 90 degree north. Now why it is called north? Because the area above 0 degree is said to be as northern hemisphere and the area below the 0 degree is said to be as southern hemisphere. So you can see there 90 degree north, that's called north pole, and 90 degrees south, that's called south pole. Then we have the Tropic of Cancer in the north of equator, and in the again we have the Tropic of Capricorn in the south of equator. Then you have the Arctic Circle, then you have the Antarctic Circle. Okay, so you understood this one. Then you can see also the prime meridian, it's also 0 degree there. Then you should understand in this picture the equator you can see, and equator, above the equator you can see Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Cancer is moving from our country also. Yes, it is passing through our country. It's passing through our country and it's dividing our country into 2 equal parts. Tropic of Cancer. So what is the latitude? What is the latitude which passes through India? That is Tropic of Cancer. Now here I have told you that latitude means leta hua. So can you see this black and blue dotted lines? There it is written, that is the southernmost tip. It is 8 degree 4 minutes north, because we are in the northern hemisphere from the equator. From the equator, what is our latitudinal distance in the southernmost tip? 8 degree 4 minutes north. And our northernmost latitudinal extent is how much, children? 37 degrees 6 minutes north. You should understand this one. But here Andaman and Nicobar is in 6 degrees 7 minutes north from the equator. That is the latitude. What I have said to you कि latitude किसको बोलते हैं? Angular distance north or south of the equator. So equator से हमारा ये कन्याकुमारी शुरू होता है कितने डिग्री पे? 8 डिग्री 4 मिनट्स नॉर्थ और एंड होता है हमारा 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट नॉर्थ। नॉर्थ इसलिए बोल रहे क्योंकि हम इक्वेटर के नॉर्थ में हैं। नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर यू कैन सी द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट। ये सीधा खड़ा है लाइन, लंबा लाइन से दोनों साइड डॉटेड लाइंस यू कैन सी। सो प्राइम मेरिडियन से हम कितने दूरी पर है? प्राइम मेरिडियन से हम 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट। हम ईस्ट इसलिए लिखते हैं क्योंकि हम प्राइम मेरिडियन के कौन से हेमिस्फेयर में है? ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फेयर में। तो ये गुजरात हमारा 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट से लेकर के कितने तक है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट ईस्ट। इस पिक्चर में टाइमिंग भी दिया गया है, टाइम का कुछ फैक्टर्स दिया गया है, लेकिन वो हम लोग अगले क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे। यहाँ पे तुम हो सकता है एक डाउट पूछ सकते हो कि मैम यहाँ पे 29 डिग्रीज क्यों लिखा है? 29 डिग्रीज इसीलिए लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट और 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट ईस्ट, यानी कि ये अगर इनसे इसको 97 डिग्रीज और 25 मिनट ईस्ट को अगर हम 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट से माइनस करेंगे तो 29 आता है, यानी कि गुजरात से लेकर अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक 29 लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है और एक लॉन्गिट्यूड से अगले लॉन्गिट्यूड में जाने में 4 मिनट का समय लगता है। तो गुजरात से लेकर के अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक ऑल टुगेदर 29 लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर देयर। ये जो टाइम का फैक्टर है वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे सिर्फ तुम लोग याद रखोगे लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट कितना है? 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट, it's from Gujarat to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. Now next is, now in this particular map, this is a physical map of India. Here you can see red lines are there and some green lines are also there. These red lines shows the land boundary of India and this green line shows the coastline boundary of India. Now our land boundary is 15,200 kilometers and our coastline boundary including Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar is 7,516.6 kilometers. Okay, now from this one you understood. Now next picture, just you see this line which is moving from north to south from Kanyakumari. It is written that down Kanyakumari 8 degree 4 minutes and at top you can see 37 degrees east minute 6 minutes, that's latitude. Now this middle line also indicates the length, north to south length of India, that is 3,214 kilometers, and the 68 degrees 7 minutes till 97 degree 25 minutes east. This line indicates that is also the east west का जो हमारा extent है, length है, वो है that is how much? 2,933 kilometers. Then you can see that we have Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean में हम सबसे जो लंबा कोस्ट लाइन, बाकी जो भी देशों से सबसे लंबा जो कोस्ट लाइन है अगर हम शेयर करते हैं ओशियन से तो वो हम है, वो हमारा देश है, इसीलिए ये ओशियन का नाम हमारे देश के नाम से पड़ा है, इंडियन ओशियन कोस्ट लाइन, द लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन वी शेयर विद इंडियन ओशियन. Then you should remember that we have 9 neighbors, we have 9 neighboring countries with us. That is in the south you should remember 2 are there, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Then in the north, in the west side we have Afghanistan and Pakistan. Then in the north we have Nepal, Tibet, China, Bhutan is also there. And then in the north, that is the eastern side, we have Bangladesh and Myanmar. Then you should also remember that we have our own islands are there, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Now, based on this, there are some questions I have framed for you. Answer all these questions in your copy. First write the question and then the answer neatly. Send the picture to me.